tell you what, I'm gonna make your original chili this time, and we're gonna try that white chicken chili another time. My promises. Let's get off into the video. Oh yes. Here we go. We have our chili beans. We have our 3 pounds of ground beef right here. And we have our block of onion, and we have our green bell pepper. Now with those beans there, we had light kidney beans, we had dark kidney beans, and I think 1 can of chili beans and 1 can of diced tomatoes as we get ready to dice this onion up right here. Oh yeah, dice it. Come on, don't play with it, chocolate. Dice it up. Get it diced up. This is Mom's recipe. It's not mine. Have to represent her well. Here we go. Getting off into that green bell pepper right there. All of these ingredients can be found in my mother's chili. Oh yeah, this is something that I have been eating for the better portion of my lifetime. You know, along with Mom's spaghetti and Mom's everything else. Salad, chicken, pork chops, back when pork chops were good. All right, we're getting those kidney beans, dark beans, chili beans, diced tomatoes all added into that crock pot. I like to make sure that, my base is warm so that when I go to dump my meat into it, it can continue to cook and absorb the flavors from the base, like the baseline of the entire recipe. So we got chili, we got onion dumped off in there, and that's just like some excess bell pepper and onion that I had from another dish I was making. We just put it inside of that chili because that's what was going in there anyway. Got the crock pot lid on. Let's take it off after it being spending like 15 minutes in there. I know it said 20, but normally it won't last till like 15 before the top starts steaming and whistling. Then it's just gonna keep it warm instead of continuing to cook it under that high pressure. We have that big knife right there to chop our 3 pounds of ground beef in half and get into that skillet, start pounding away at it, separating it with that wooden cooking utensil. Yeah, I like to get my meat all nice and fine. When I was old enough, oh boy, here we go. When I was old enough, 9, 8, but when I was old enough to start doing this part, this is the part I would do. For my mom, she liked the way, she noticed the way I would dice the meat. And so she was like, hey, I don't have to do this anymore. He can take the mantle. He can do this. So I've been doing this for about a good 20 years. This part right here for about 20 years. 22, something like that. All right. As we get those onion flakes in there. You see, we've added that green bell pepper and that freshly chopped onion in there. Oh yes, as my mother's music plays in the background. The onion flakes, why the onion flakes? Because it just has some, those dry onion flakes, it just accentuates the taste of an onion. So it's like a hidden recipe. It's a hidden taste off in there that adds another profile to the chili. As we get the meat drained in the strainer, we got a bowl to catch that grease, that meat grease under it. Getting it all raked off in there. Notice I went back and chopped that meat up with a spatula to further get it fine like this. It's some fine meat. You can make tacos with that. The quality of meat that it is. How fine it's chopped. And now we will add our meat into the chili so it can get married. Oh, the marrying process. This is possibly my favorite part of making any kind of, soup or pasta. This is my favorite part when you just add it all together. Oh yeah, let's taste one of those. And it was good. Oh goodness. Well seasoned. The chili to bean ratio is on point, contrary to, some belief. I know there are some beanless chili recipes out there, but hey, this is spot on. Spot on belief. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Goodness. And I got that all ladled out across some scoops. Sprinkle some shredded cheese on top of it. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is a sacred moment right here. Let me be quiet. Man, it's got a taste of like the same old chili that I grew up on. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Till next time. It's been real. See ya.